Marlene Hutchinson, and welcome to Tips for Guitar Playing Success. As many of you know, I've been sharing my guitar playing tips every Thursday for more than 8 years. It's been my way to hopefully help you stay motivated, be inspired, and continue expanding your guitar playing journey. If you're interested in more learning resources like my Thursday Tips blog, my DVDs, books, virtual learning, and more, go to my website, marlenesmusic.com. And for anyone who's listening and feels like you're missing out on all the fun, you can easily join our wonderful world of guitar with my Learn to Play Guitar in a Day program, which you can also find at marlenesmusic.com. Now on to today's tip. Today's tip is how to play the D scale. This podcast episode is sponsored by Podbean. Podbean is the easiest way to create your own podcast. We use Podbean to host tips for guitar playing success. Download the free Podbean app to start, record, and publish your very own podcast in minutes. Podbean provides everything you need to run your podcast and record and publish episodes directly from the app on your phone. Download the free Podbean app today. That's Podbean. Head on over to Podbean at www.podbean.com and use the code PODCAST21 for your first 30 days of podcast hosting for free. Check it out. In previous episodes, I've talked about both the C and G scales. And so today I'll share the next scale that's a good one to know, the D scale. As I've mentioned in those previous scale episodes, scales are great to help you learn notes, their locations on the guitar, which of course improves your fretboard knowledge. But it also helps with your finger agility and dexterity. By the way, in case you need a refresh on scales in general, take a listen to my October 8th, 2020 episode, How to Play a Scale on Your Guitar. So, if you're ready, let's dive into the D scale. The D scale notes are D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. You probably noticed that I said F sharp and C sharp because there are two notes that are sharp in the D scale, and that's because the scale follows the same major scale interval pattern, which is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half, and those refer to musical steps. When you start on the note D, a whole step is E. Another whole step is F sharp. A half step is G. A whole step is A. Another whole step is B. Another whole step is C sharp, and then a half step is D. Now, if what I just said seems completely foreign to you, again, jump back to that October 8th, 2020 episode for an overview of scales and that interval pattern. Now, let's talk about how to play the D scale on your guitar. To play this scale, the first note is, of course, D, which is played as an open fourth string. Then the E is the fourth string second fret using your second finger. F sharp is the fourth string fourth fret with the fourth finger, your pinky. G is the open third string. A is the third string second fret using your second finger. B is the open second string. C sharp is on the second string second fret using your second finger. And the D is the second string 3rd fret, 3rd finger. I recommend when you're playing this scale, or any scale for that matter, that you say the note name when you're playing the scale. It helps you to associate what you're playing and where you're playing it. Show break. Join my podcast club. It's super easy. Just click on the Join the Club link in the show notes or go to my website, marlenesmusic.com. You'll not only be supporting the continuation of this podcast show, but you'll be a part of a wonderful group of passionate guitarists. And you'll be eligible to join our monthly meetings where we talk about such topics as performing, song inspirations, practice routines, and more. So join today at the Join the link in the show notes or on my website, marlenesmusic.com. Back to the show. So I just described playing the D scale on your guitar. And if you're like me, a visual learner, you might find the D scale tablature to be helpful. And you can find that on my Thursday Tips blog at marlenesmusic.com or click on the link for my Thursday Tips blog, which is also in the show notes. You probably noticed when I was describing where to play this scale on your guitar, I also talked about which fingers you should use. That's because it's important to remember when you're playing single notes, whether it's scales or tablature, each finger basically has a fret assignment. In this case, anytime you play on fret 1, you'll use your first finger. Anytime you play on fret 2, you'll use your second finger. Anytime you play on fret 3, you'll use your third finger. And of course, anytime you play on fret 4, you'll use your fourth finger. The scale we just played is called the ascending scale, or going up. Now we'll descend the scale or go back down. To descend the D scale, you simply reverse the order of the notes, starting with the D, which is second string, 3rd fret, 3rd finger. Next is the C sharp, second string, 2nd fret, 2nd finger. B is the open 2nd string. A is the 3rd string, 2nd fret, 2nd finger. G is open 3rd string. F sharp is the 4th string, 4th fret with your 4th finger. E is the 4th string, 2nd fret, 2nd finger. And D is the open 4th string. As you become more familiar with this scale, then challenge yourself to play the pattern more quickly. And you might even want to try using a metronome to help guide your speed. So quick recap. The D major scale notes are D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. And remember, scaling the neck of your guitar improves fretboard knowledge and finger dexterity, which I consider to be a win-win. I hope this episode's tip has helped you to continue expanding your guitar skills and knowledge. If you'd like to learn more, check out the many learning resources available at my website, marlenesmusic.com. Thank you for joining today's podcast, and as I like to say, play on.